Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Taylor or Dollie the Rebel if you are new. And in today's video, I'm doing a fall inspired look. So I'm starting off with the Juvias Place, the Afrique palette. And I'm starting off with this burgundy color. I'm going to check to see what color I'm using, and I'll put the name in the description box. So I'm just taking that burgundy shade and I'm tapping that and doing small buffing motions. What I'm doing is going to create a halo effect on my eyelid, so I'm going to put it in the outer corner and in the inner corner as well, but connect in the crease, and then we'll cut the crease. Alright guys, so next what we're going to do is cut the crease. So I'm using my Louise base in room number 5, and I'm going to start right in the middle of my crease, and I'm going to do like little cut motions down the center of the eyelid for the halo effect. And then I'm going to take that same burgundy shade and just blend out those edges. Alright guys, so once you get those edges blended out, I'm going to go into the Juvias Place palette and take the shimmer shade in Angelique and tap that right into the middle. And then what I did cut out, because I felt like it was a bit excessive, was just going back and forth blending the shimmer shade and the burgundy shade, just to make sure it was blended out seamlessly. Like I say in every video, you do want to make sure everything is blended out to your liking so it's no harsh lines. And right when I'm done blending everything out, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro eyeliner. This is their felt tip liner, and I'm going to create my wing. And shout out to the young lady from California Pizza Kitchen who told me what eyeliner she used. I actually bought it the same day. So yeah, I actually like it so far. It is really black, it's super precise. So yeah, if you're looking for an inexpensive liner, you can get this from Target or CVS. Alright guys, and for foundation, this is nothing new here. This is the Maybelline matte poreless foundation in 330 and 338. I do have a in-depth video on my foundation and highlighting contour routine, so I'll link that in the card above. I do have some new stuff coming in, so I'll have some new content and trying some new products though for you guys, because I feel like it's very repetitive the past few months, so I got you guys covered. And for highlighting contour, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro concealers, and I believe it's warm toffee for my highlighter and dark cocoa for my contour. And then I'm going to blend those out and set it with the powder. Again, everything here is pretty much repetitive. So I do have some in-depth videos. Again, it's linked in the card above. And yeah, like I said, I'll have some like new content as far as like my face routine and trying out new products. I'm just waiting for everything to come in the mail. Everybody had a sale, girl. So yeah.
That's that UE, boy.
And so what I'm going to do is take that same burgundy shadow and just put it underneath my waterline or underneath my lash line, whatever. And I'm taking my Mary Kay eyeliner. It's a black eyeliner pencil, and line my waterline and tight line under my lash line above. Okay, hey guys, so my camera cut off on me, and that's what I get because I rambled the first time. So I just want to let you guys know that off camera I did apply my lashes. I got these in my wig box, so I just threw those on. And my liquid lipstick I put on, oh, excuse me, Andrea Cosmetics, the liquid lipstick in number 6. Very, very popular. Make sure you go get yours. And what else did I use? Oh, I topped it off with my main from Dose of Colors. So yeah, this is pretty much the completed look. I just threw on some earrings just to like fill this gap of my ears. But yeah, everything will be in the description. If you have any comments or questions, of course, comment them down below. And make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.